Yeah, yeah. 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 White mesh dripping like snow in the summer heat. New Balance 990s, I'm walking on flavor and beats. No title on it, it's just vibes in motion. Every step feel like art in devotion. Pink flash, blue splash, orange in the rear. Sunset palette like it cooked up in here. Leather stay clean but the colors go wild. Like a paint fight froze in the soul and the style. No Baklava store, no island, no map. Just a freestyle sneaker where the colors collapse. 990 V6, comfort on cruise, but it look like a gallery when I lace up my shoes. Step in the silence, let the colors speak. Every stitch in the leather got a story unique. No label needed, let the vision breathe. It's art on my feet when I move through the streets. Untitled, but it's all too loud. Every step that I take got the crowd around. Untitled, but it shine like gold. 990 on my feet and it break the mold. Untitled, I don't need the name. Just color and comfort and designer grade flame. Untitled, when I hit that street, it feel like art when I move my feet.